We don't know about you, but vegan food is something we cannot get enough of. It not only has the potential to be really delicious when prepared correctly, but it also has high nutritional value that will benefit your body greatly. If you are nervous about tasting vegan or vegetarian cuisine for the first time, Miami is a fantastic location to start. Vegan eateries around in Miami make it easy to ease into the world of plant-based cuisine. Today, we will tell you about the top places in Miami for plant-based food in 2021. Welcome to Fresh Vegan. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. In the list of top places in Miami for plant-based food in 2021, we have Beehive Natural Foods. Beehive Natural Foods has been a terrific spot to stop and get nutritious fruit and supplements for nearly 34 years. It is a health food store, smoothie bar, organic juice store, and food supplement store all rolled into one. The Beehive Natural Food Store, which is owned by Bob Penna, a certified nutritional coach, also features a vegan and vegetarian restaurant on site to cater to hungry herbivores. Before doing your grocery shopping, grab some of the healthiest yet delectable meals you can find in Miami, all of which are organic. Do not forget to wash it all down with a shake or juice. Next on the list, we have Carrot Express. The Carrot Express is a 1,500 square foot cafe in the center of South Beach that is cozy, homey, and completely unique. It provides counter service dining as well as an extensive selection of vegan and vegetarian salads and sandwiches. The Carrot Express has been serving up a basic yet broad menu of well-constructed sandwiches, fresh salads, scrumptious wraps, and clean juices for more than 20 years. Furthermore, the Carrot Express's founders and employees are enthusiastic about their menu and their commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Mario's favorite, the Sausage Vegan Bowl, and their excellent acai bowls are all worth trying at Carrot Express. Next on the list, we have Eden and Eden. Who says a vegan French brasserie cannot exist? Eden and Eden is Miami's first vegan and vegetarian-friendly French brasserie, and they know how to serve a delicious dinner. Eden and Eden brilliantly captures the spirit of French cuisine without the use of butter, cheese, or eggs. It is inspired by and unashamed of their enthusiasm for plant-based cuisine. How? Consider replacing ham with luscious pieces of veggie pig, soy cheese bliss, and a plethora of vegetables. Eden and Eden takes great care to recreate the cooking procedure of your French foodie favorites, so there are no compromises in terms of texture or flavor. Are you ready to try a bite? On your first visit, order the Croque Monsieur. Next on the list, we have Full Bloom Vegan. Full Bloom Vegan, which started in 2015, pushes the frontiers of vegan cuisine by introducing a new degree of flavor and brilliance to it. They strive hard to create a new and fresh twist on plant-based dishes while improving the flavor profile of each ingredient as the first vegan restaurant in Miami Beach. Full Bloom Vegan's devotion to animal welfare and health is reflected in their cooking, as they source fresh and organic products from local farmers and small wholesalers. The mofongo, which consists of fried plantains, red onions, cilantro, and a creamy chimichurri sauce, the jackfruit empanadas with Crayola sauce, and the vegetable dynamite sushi roll with Korean red pepper aioli are also meals to try. Next on the list, we have KC Healthy Cooking. Chef Jerry Dominic, who has over 25 years of cooking expertise, created the KC Healthy Cooking restaurant to share his love of healthy food with the rest of Miami. KC Healthy Cooking aims to provide you with an excellent culinary experience that will leave you feeling revitalized and ready to take on whatever the day has in store. Chef Jerry also emphasizes that nutritious cuisine does not have to be boring or bland. He focuses on broadening your palate by introducing you to the freshest foods available, as well as new spices and flavors. For lunch, try their chick tail or Steve wrap. Or for dinner, try their grilled portobello mushroom sandwich or snapper fajitas. Next on the list, we have Pura Vida. At Pura Vida, there is just one ideology that reigns supreme: health equals happiness. Pura Vida assures that you consume only components that are excellent for your body and overall health by serving up superfoods, with the objective of helping you awaken your own body's potential for greatness. Each item is meticulously made with a good old South Beach atmosphere and a love for helping others raise the health bar in their own life. Whether it's a juice, smoothie, raw organic bowl, or a wrap, Pura Vida is a place where you can consume healthy, smart, and delectable food all in one place. Next on the list, we have Sriracha House. What exactly is Sriracha House? Let us put it this way. Street food has just been healthier. Sriracha House serves up delectable and energizing cuisines with a kick to the Miami neighborhood, focusing on fresh and simple Southeast Asian ingredients. At Sriracha House, almost everything begins with a bowl of noodles. They then add a ton of your favorite fresh ingredients, then fry them in a wok on demand. Add a big serving of their trademark handmade sauces, and you have a work of art in one delicious dish, personalized to your chosen flavors. Now, what is the best part? Well, they never use preservatives or MSG in their cooking. So what exactly are you waiting for? Come in and play for a bit at Sriracha House. Next on the list, we have the Cafe at Books and Books. Local, sustainable, and tasty are three qualities that come to mind when describing the Cafe at Books and Books. The Cafe at Books and Books is a neighborhood gathering place at heart, dedicated to establishing a community-friendly space that is ideal for foodies and book lovers alike to gather. Their enthusiasm for literature and cooking is palpable, and their inventiveness is evident in their delectable vegan menu. The Cafe at Books and Books is dedicated to using only sustainable, heart-healthy, and hearty products sourced from local farmers, and their inventive cooking displays each component to the best of their ability. Next on the list, we have Vegetarian Restaurant by Hacken. Hacken's Vegetarian Restaurant will transport you to the Caribbean. The restaurant's name, however, is a bit of a misnomer, as the Vegan Restaurant by Hacken is completely vegan. In and around North Miami, they serve up some of the best Caribbean-inspired fox burgers, sandwiches, pizzas, and more. Visit their full-service juice bar to stop by for a refreshing smoothie. You can also request vitamins, plant-based supplements, and proteins as add-ons to your smoothies. Or you can also taste one of their famous vegan fish burgers. Whatever you choose, there is always something new and wonderful to try from this amazing vegan restaurant's menu. Finally on the list, we have Planta. If there was ever a restaurant that could persuade us to go vegan, it would be Planta. Gluttonous delights such as gooey nachos, creamy pasta, and truffle pizza are all available. And despite being dairy, meat, and gluten-free, they taste better than the real thing you will get at most places. Sushi fans, be ready to have your minds blown by Planta's vegetable sushi selections, which are freshly rolled in the dining room. That is all for today, folks. Tell us in the comments section what kind of diet you have for yourself, and what is your thought about these amazing places. See you soon with another amazing video.